Welcome to Public Education Channel. My name is Mohammad Babar Ali. Today, I will talk about peace for humanity. It is responsibility of governments and all educational institutions all over the world to include peace as a compulsory subject in their syllabus from school level to university level. If our children learn peace from their childhood to university level, they will be able to become a great citizen of their country as well as all over the world. So I request all governments and all educational institutions to include peace as a compulsory subject in their syllabus. It is also very important our religious point of view because no religion want terrorism in the world. Every religion wants peace for humanity. So I request all the religious scholars to try to include peace as a compulsory subject in their syllabus for especially for Muslim countries, include peace as a syllabus in their madrasas. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.